Hello everyone, it is me, Black DJ. So today we are going to be doing something. You remember the Spanish retyper? Well, it's actually not a retyper. It's when you type something. SBHJBTHD. Okay, maybe not like that. Okay, let's reduce the volume. So how about hi? Hola. It will say something like something in the something in a different language, but it will say it's Spanish because we made a Spanish retyper. So this is the latest thing that we did from our project in the last video. So we are going to add more things in it. So first we will have to add wait, let me tell you what we're gonna do to it. We are going to um, we are gonna translate it back to English. Like when it says the word in Spanish, and it says the word when it says the word in Spanish, we will make it say it in English too. Oh yeah, guys. Oh, I forgot to delete this one before I do it. Okay, let's delete that. Hola. So you see when we say hi, the text is still hi. It's not like um it's not like in Spanish. So I will tell you how to do it in Spanish. We will have to delete this answer. You can um, duplicate this we did from the last video if you're lazy, or you could go to um, translate, print translate, take answer, set it to Spanish, Spanish. Oh, here is the S. Spanish. Okay, there it is. Put it there. And let's test it. Hola. See, now it says it in Spanish and the word is Spanish. But then let's say the person forgotten what they said in Spanish. Like, let's say something like this, something forgettable. I'm gonna close my eyes. Yes, I can type it. It's closed. I'm gonna um, close my eyes a little bit, feel the letters I know, and type it. Click enter and say something in Spanish. I don't know what I wrote. Okay, I think I'm done. I'm gonna click enter. Dealio. What's dealio? What's dealio? So I actually don't know what that is. Okay, let's try again. Where is that? Okay, I don't know what I'm typing. J. Huh? I don't know what that is. Okay, let's just get into it. So now we will go to looks and get say hello for 2 seconds. Oh no, 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 don't get that. Don't get that. Don't get that. Actually, get add team to language. Duplicate answer or get answer from sensing. Then go to text to speech, get speak hello. You can duplicate answer or again get it from sensing. Sorry for the noise, it's a movie that my grandma is watching. Yeah. Okay, so after that, if you wanna change the voice, go to text speech, get set voice to auto. Then you will go to control, get wait 1 second, put it right on top of add answer to language, get set voice to auto, put it on the wait 1 second, and take any voice you want. Tenor, which is this. Hola. Hi. Oh, I know what to do. Hola. Hi. Oh, I know why it's doing like that. Because it's Spanish. So it has to be a boy voice. Let's try that. Good. Hola. Hi. See, it's giant, but it's, it's, let's try getting it up to my flat clicked. Hola. Hi. Hola. Hi. I don't know why it's doing that, but I guess it's only a girl voice you can get. I'm sorry. So, I like to squeak. It sounds like a little girl. So, we'll get that one. Oh, I think I know why I'm doing like that, but we'll solve that. But that time. Then you get set voice to auto again and put it on top of add, translate answer to Spanish to language. Yeah, language. Just clapping my hands. Just clapping my hands. Okay, so that is how you do it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and remember to subscribe, comment, and like. And comment for other games and apps you want me to make. Bye! RDS. Bye. I'm too late. I'm shut up. ABC. Decipher door. Coder. What? Guys, I know I said bye bye, but what? This is Spanish, right? Okay. Code. CD code. Code. Coder. Decipher door. No. When I did this, it never said it with a D, but now it's saying it with a D. Okay, guys, I don't know what's wrong with that. Well, bye. RDS subscribe commenter y biểu Mỹ Gusta.